You know, we were raised to think that because our hair is curly and some hair is stronger than others, that we don't need to really care for it. But that's absolutely not true. In fact, our hair is more vulnerable the curlier it is, because if it's not moisturized, it's easier to pop, it's easier to break because of the curl pattern. So you want to have it moisturized and hydrated. And then so some things we can help to improve, and then some things is
And
just
that's
genetic. I can't do anything about that, right? So some things we have to just work with. We have to work with what we got.
It's more
right?
important to me to be healthy as I age. You know,
Yeah.
I want to be healthy. I don't want to be in a wheelchair. They're like, oh, she lived till she was 95, but then the last 25 years she was in a wheelchair. You know, she couldn't really do anything. I want to still be, you know,
vibrant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Vibrant. Be able to get out, you know, have a good conversation with somebody, walk around, you know, use my limbs.
Yes.
So
exactly. Well, that's great. That's what it's going to take, is lifestyle change.
It is difficult to maintain proper moisture and hydration to replenish what that developer pulled out, what the bleach pulled out, to get you from level 1, 2, or 3, your natural color, all the way to 10 and beyond. So that's the reason why color bleach is so damaging, right?
So the most important thing to remember is that hair is very personal to us.
To know that it's okay to use products, to be comfortable with doing whatever you need to do for your hair, as long as you're using products that are the right products.
I love the personalized attention. I would tell anybody, you be able to ask questions. She earnestly allows time for you to communicate and get your questions answered. So the personalized attention, that's second to none. Let's see. Oh, and the community. I got to meet some dynamite people.
You know, when I first started my Sisterlocks, you know, I was always moisturizing because they said the rose water would help with the itching. And so I was really consistent with that, and I didn't have the itching. And as time went on, I didn't do it as much. And you mentioned about the hydration. And when I think back, that's when I had the most hair growth. My hair looked really nice. And so getting into trying to embrace the grays, and the more my hair is moisturized, then it's not as harsh. So.